Hi there, it's Adam at Fordingtons in Hexham, and today I'm showing you around this 67 plate Volkswagen Golf 1.6 TDI BlueMotion Tech SAT-NAV. You've seen this really nice white, sort of iconic Golf colour. The really nice diamond cut alloy wheels. Got a really nice spec, lovely inside. Got the sensors there. Park pilot, as Golf call it. Inside, very clean, nice boot space. Also got a spare wheel underneath there, which is rare to come by in more modern vehicles. Interior is all very clean, really nice materials, and aircon also in the back. Really slick design on the very modern touch screen, where you have the SAT-NAV radio. It also has a sensors display. Got cruise control on the steering wheel, hands-free Bluetooth. Also got the electronic handbrake and adjustable armrest. Seats all very good condition. Also got the front sensors there as well. Great service history, and just done over 23,000 miles. So if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much for watching. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye now.